Welcome to the AARC Exam Accommodation Request video for students. This video will give instructions on how to submit an exam accommodation request. Note, please submit this form at least 5 days prior to the scheduled test or exam to request to take the exam at the AARC located in the Christopher Center for Library and Informational Resources ground floor. We would recommend that you submit this form between the hours of 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. on weekdays, so your form can be processed as soon as possible. Please start by filling out your personal information such as your name, student ID, and Valpo email address. Next, submit the course information such as course name, instructor's email address, exam information, and class length for the duration of the exam. Based on your accommodation letter, select or enter your extended time. If you have any other information you would like to add, put it into the Other Accommodation section. Lastly, enter the spam protection and submit the form. If approved, the exam will be added to the student's Google Calendar automatically and the student will be sent an email, along with a PDF of their submission. If denied, the student will receive an email along with a PDF of their submission. Thank you.